guys? Ryan, Tommy. Here we are at Lost Mountain Park in Kennesaw, Georgia. We're gonna take my VS410 Ultra out. We got our buddy Cody from Templar RC over there getting ready. Everybody saw me do the build series by now, so now this will be the unveiling, showing it to Tommy for the first time. He's never seen this before, so let's get his first reaction of this thing. You ready?
Yeah.
Here she is.
Is this it?
This is it.
Nice. Heck yeah. Save Ox in there. Is that the Fusion Pro?
It is.
Very nice, very nice.
2300 kV.
Real weights on there. Looks fucking awesome.
Well done. Let's pull the body off of it. Take a look at the inside. So here we've got the RS100 by NSDRC for your shift servo. We've got the lime green, because we know you love lime green, RS100 for your dig. You got the Savox in here, 2300 kV motor. This is an IC2 connector? IC3. I got a conversion for your IC5 batteries. And then, you know, it's got this whole
LS style intake.
Chevy LS into your mechanical. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, so let's take this thing out and give her a rip and see how she does.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Well, Tommy, what are your first thoughts on the SCX10 3 build kit?
It'll be exciting to see how it holds up compared to the TRX4. Because as you know, I've had the TRX4 now for 2.5 years. But I like the big
Very helpful.
Very. We'll see how it does.
Try and fall in the water. Try and fall in the water.
No, I'm not trying to fall in the water.
Sound like you're trying.
Not anymore.
Water. I see water.
God. Yeah. Slow this shit running.
Oh, look.
Perla.
Yeah, then you couldn't even get yourself up through there, really.
That tire, the rock rotated.
That whole tire's in the water.
Hey, hold on, is that even getting it? Oh yeah.
Oh no, we're gonna have to get out of here.
Are you swimming, huh? Your skeleton's getting wet.
Somebody diarrheaed in your truck there.
Did you hear it? That's some doo-doo right there, man. You gotta see the shit on your tire over here. God damn, that motherfucker went all the way over.
Thick mud. I don't know what the beef.
What is it, the travel?
Yep.
On the throttle?
Yep.
That's something that does a 150, Cody.
You're gonna increase your speed amazing.
I don't want to do that. Not right now.
I would love my wheel spin to be
And Uno lost time.
that's where you want your wheel spin. Hey! Oh!
Stand it back up. Hell yeah. I don't know if it got the video though.
It did.
You need to set it up right there on the side. Honey, can you hold that?
My 40-year-old crawler tires outgrip anything new. That's why everyone's got tread wheels, right?
You forget what trigger control is, honey?
Oh!
The first rollover.
Look at all the brand new shit on the bottom of that.
I think brand new. Slugger. Thanks, Cody.
Get you some swamp water in there.
That'll help it good. Swamp thing. Hey. I got you, butter. Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, right.
Got a zigzag up there.
Can't see it on the screen.
There's, yeah, this is disrespect. There you go.
Yeah.
Park it up over here. What you got your high beams off for, brother? It's daytime.
You gotta kind of get your right tire up above that hole in the ground and then kick it as you go
We're
up
about
right.
to find out if my battery don't hold up.
Put your, your left tire, sorry.
You gotta literally, it's like a
On the high
zigzag. You
side.
gotta go.
Yeah.
There you go. See how you got that?
Very difficult.
Best way you can start too is get your left rear tire right out the edge of this rock and just. Nah, just checking. See if it's dirty. Right in the ass. Nice. Nice.
All right, well, first time driving a SCX10
Yep. Yep.
and give us your first impressions and how you like it compared to your Defender.
Well, comparing the Defender to this, first impressions completely different because the Defender First impressions were garbage. First time out, burned up the motor, burned up the steering servo, burned up the ESC, had to warranty the motor 9 times because their 21T Titan motors can't get wet without falling apart within 10 minutes. So comparing them modified, this. And all this has, other than upgrading the electronic components, as far as modification goes, is the inner and outer portals right here. But there's no competition. Fully modified Defender that I've been modifying for 2.5 years now compared to this. I love this one a lot more. I love the Defender, but this one just blew it completely out of the water. I've been wanting a 10.3 for so long, and now that you made it happen, I'm not gonna drive the Defender too much longer. This is gonna be the new trail buddy.
Well, you heard him, folks. Defender might be retired, might not. You'll have to stick around and see. So I'm glad you like it.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome. So we out.